Cast iron cookware has long been a favorite in our kitchen, but we've always wondered, why does a tool that is so relevant today always look so traditional? As designers who have worked with foundries for years, we've come to understand that the design of cast iron cookware does not need to follow a centuries-old aesthetic. So we're taking a different approach to cast iron with Ironwood Cookware, built to last centuries, not designed to look centuries old. From the stove to the table, we don't just cook to make food, we cook to make food beautiful. Thin walls, a machined cooking surface, a form-fitting handle, trivet, and utensils make Ironwood uniquely designed for both performance and presentation. Our goal is not only to provide you with high-performance cast iron cookware, but to allow you to present beautiful food to your friends and family. For us, cooking is a form of expression, and Ironwood cookware is designed to reflect that. Ironwood, let's make food beautiful.